Hi guys, today we're walking down Monk's Walk for our first Thorpe Park construction / not construction vlog. Yeah, as you probably know, you've probably seen other Monk's Walk videos, but not much is going on. It's the 6th of January 2020. We've just seen a hole in the blue wrapping with some trees. RMC 2020 confirmed. Loggers Leap queue line fencing. Alright, so we've just seen a tractor go past with loads of bushes. Matt seems to think they're hiding an RMC, but actually no, they're not. They are trimming down. No, they're trimming down the bushes near Nemesis, because you can see. Go on to Thorpe Park official Facebook, and you'll see their update videos. Having scaffolding on it. Yeah, they're doing stuff to the train. Scaffolding on Nemesis Inferno. I can hear some soaring, you know. Oh my god, look at the 0G roll. There's a guy in white there trying to paint it or something. Looks like he's in a painting suit. Don't know what he's doing, to be honest.
What's happening? Oh, wait, you see what he's doing?
Yeah, he's got a mask on. He's got a mask on.
It's like a painting mask, but he's got something in his hand. He just put that on. You track this. Almost.
Okay, so big news. Nemesis Inferno looks like it's got like a sander. So there's a guy in a complete white suit. I'll show you the clip now up on screen. With a complete white suit with like a painting mask. And then he's got a sander.
Like a fume mask.
Yeah, like a fume mask. And he's sanding, so he's got like an angle grinder or something. I don't know, but that is... we're going to have to go back there.
So
see
which photos?
Okay, that is... And there's some we saw some Blair Witch photos as well, but... That is weird. Pictures from Blair Witch. It was like blown through or something. That's weird. What's this? There's more. Pick that one up, Elliot.
Oh my god, the new plans. You found the plans.
That's weird.
No,
You can see the Ride of Intense Headaches. Colossus. Glove up there, Fright Night Circus glove. That little bit of wood on top of the platform train. RMC 2020 confirmed. Yeah, what is that? What is that? Is that my microphone? Turns out that train was not Thorpe Park. Sad times. Alright, so we're walking back now. Matt just pranked us all because he said there's someone under the bridge. But there wasn't. Annoyingly. So I ran out of breath because he told us all to run this way. So, yeah. But we're going to head back to Nemesis Inferno area. Try and get some more clips around there. It's been a good walk. I'm a bit sort of quieter now as before because there are so many people there are here in the close season. Maybe like one or two. There's loads of them. Like we saw about seven or eight different cars driving up and down. So yeah, it's a busy time at close season. But just walking past Rumble Rapids now, all the boats and bits and pieces. Lots of cameras up. I don't seem to remember there was this many last year. So obviously something sort of literally filming exactly where I am, so you can see me right now. But yeah, interesting.